Rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. Rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. Yeah, let's go. Wake up in the morning, I'm already feeling down. It seems like nobody wants me around. I really wish that I had some friends, and I wish that they'd stop by and check in every now and then. I don't really understand why they hate me, but they don't understand how all this pain be. It's enough to drive a man insane, so I'ma sit inside and listen to the rain. So rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. So rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. Yeah, I finally got myself up out my bed, so I sent a couple of texts to my friends. Oh, I got no reply again. I cannot let this shit get to my head, so I try to take some time to myself, cause I know there is nobody else. But of course it didn't go so well, so I just laid back down like what the hell. So rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. So rain, rain, rain. Today, ayy. Hey, I'm like, oh my God, what is this? The rain is getting bad and driving is a bitch. Yep. So I got a message from this chick. She is stuck in the flood and she's feeling kind of sick. Ooh. She didn't want to drive through that shit, so I gave her my address. She got here right quick. Guess that she stuck with me till it quits. So maybe all this rain ain't bad. So shit. Rain, rain, rain. I don't want you to go away, rain. Today, ayy. Please don't go away. So rain, rain, rain. Keep it pouring, keep it pouring. Today, ayy. Now you know my day is going great. We've been laughing all night and it's getting kinda late. Wonder what's next up on my plate. She be feeling me all night and she's touching on my leg. Then she puts her lips up near my face. Now was the time, I've been waiting all day. You know that I don't wanna play. Damn, I wish this rain would never go away. So rain, rain, rain. Never, never go away, rain. Today, ayy. Yeah, you made my day okay, rain. So rain, rain, rain. Please don't go away, rain. Today, ayy. Yeah. So rain, rain, rain. Today, ay, ay.